Welcome to my weekly real estate market update. Happy New Year to you. Hope you're off to a great start for 2024. This is my first real estate market update for the year. I do one every week on a Thursday usually to provide some information to potential buyers and sellers in the marketplace looking to navigate the market so they can make the best decision moving forward, usually at a more macro level, and I'll be doing the same again this year. If you want to follow me, jump on Facebook, jump on Instagram, and jump on the web, martinuzzi.com.au. You can see the website there, and all my blogs are up there as well, so you can have a read through and decipher the information that might be useful to you at the current time. So this week, what I want to focus on is a bit of a market wrap for last year, which I did do recently in my December quarterly market wrap. And in this week's blog, there'll be a complimentary copy for you to download. So it's a nice 4-page flyer that you can download and have a read of at your leisure if you wish. So basically what we've seen last year in 2023, property prices did grow. So CoreLogic reported a 9.4% increase in the property price index. Property Track, another software company, reported a more moderate 5.52% increase in property prices over the year. So whatever the case is, it seems that property prices are on the rebound. Now, CoreLogic suggested that in 2021, we saw property prices grow by 24.5%. In 2022, property prices fell by 4.9%, and then last year up again 9.4%. So it looks like it's on the rebound, and the biggest thing for this is a lack of properties available for sale, and this is also a shortage crisis in the rental field as well. There's just less and less properties available, and that's what's pushing prices up, both to purchase and also for renting as well. On top of that, population increase and the migrational numbers are at record highs. So the supply-demand imbalance is really what's continuing to push up those prices, despite the fact that the cash rate has risen to record highs. Now, it is suggested this year, if inflation gets pulled back in, which it looks like it will be, and we'll know more at the end of this month and early next month, what the RBA plans to do in February. I actually think that the RBA will hold the cash rate in February, and I actually think that the RBA will start to reduce or lower that cash rate around mid-year and potentially by 1% by the end of the year. So we might have a slower start to the year and a more robust finish to 2024. But it really depends on that supply-demand imbalance and what that cash rate does, as well as some of the government incentives that come in. Now, we might see a few more investment properties come to the market as the return on investment for investors weakens. So they might sell up a few. And there might be some people in mortgage stress that may choose to sell their property as well to release themselves from that stress. However, I think there's going to be a number of government incentives coming through to help burden that stress on property owners that are feeling the pinch from rising costs of goods and services, and also the rising cost of mortgages. If you look at the moment, a recent report by ANZ suggested that the portion of the household income on average to pay off a mortgage is at record highs right now, 46%. So 46% of the household income is paying off mortgages. For renters, it's around 31%. So that's a huge impact on disposable income and what that will do to the economy moving forward as well. So government incentives are likely a key trend this year to help ease that burden on some households, as well as that cash rate. That'll be really an influential factor as to what property prices do. However, in all accounts, domain realestate.com, a lot of the experts are predicting a further price rise this year, anywhere from 6% upwards on the Sunshine Coast as well. So we expect that trend to continue. So it's going to be an interesting year ahead. Guys, I'm here on deck and would love to help you with your selling or purchasing needs, or if you're looking to rent a property as well, we take care of rentals and would love to assist you. So have a great start to the year, and if anything I can help with, please reach out.